गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू बिंदु डडवाल केमिस्ट्री लेसन्स। आज हम करेंगे सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम केमिस्ट्री इन एवरीडे लाइफ। पहली कैटेगरी है मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। सो पेनिसिलिन इज एन एंटीबायोटिक। 0.2% solution of phenol is an antiseptic. Which of following is not a tranquilizer? तो बायथाइनल इट इज़ एन एंटीसेप्टिक जो सोप में डालते हैं, बाकी ट्रैंकुलाइजर्स हैं। डेटॉल इज यूज्ड एज एंटीसेप्टिक। Chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic which is used as a tranquilizer. So Equinol. Tincture iodine is 2 to 3% solution of iodine in alcohol. Which of the following is used as an artificial sweetener? So saccharin. Among the following, which artificial sweetener has the lowest sweetness value? So allium 2000 times, aspartame 100 times, saccharin 550 times, and sucralose 600 times. So option B, aspartame has lowest sweetness value. Which drug is used to reduce acidity? So antacid. Which of the following is used as an antioxidant? So butylated hydroxytoluene or BHT is used as antioxidant. A broad spectrum antibiotic is chloramphenicol. Which of the following is bacteriostatic? So option B, erythromycin. Which of the following is not an artificial sweetening agent? Sodium benzoate is a preservative. Which of the following is a preservative? Sodium benzoate. Which of the following is not antibiotic? Biothionyl is antiseptic. 1% solution of phenol is disinfectant. 0.2% is antiseptic. Which of the following drug reduces fever? Antipyretic. Which of the following is not an antiseptic drug? So aspartame is artificial sweetening agent. Drugs used to kill microorganisms are called disinfectants. Antiseptic prevent the growth, disinfectant kill microorganisms. Choose the correct answer. Saccharin is 550 times sweeter than sugar is true. Which of the following is an antacid? So ranitidine. Which of the following is a natural sweetener? Sucrose. Which of the following sweetener is used by diabetic patients? It is sucralose. Let us do some match the column questions. Ranitidine is an antihistamine. It is an antacid. We know that histamine in stomach may stimulate pepsin and HCl, which may cause acidity. So to control histamine, we use ranitidine. So it is an antihistamine. Furosemide is antiseptic. Phenelzine is tranquilizer, and chloramphenicol is antibiotic. Match the soaps given in column 1 with items given in column 2. Soap chips are small broken pieces of soap formed from melted soaps. Soap granules are dried miniature soap bubbles. Soap powder is soap powder plus builders like sodium carbonate and phosphates. And scouring soap is soap powder plus abrasives and builders. Then match the columns. So this is a non-ionic detergent, polypropylene stearate. This is part of soap. This is soap. Then this lauryl sulfonates are anionic detergents, and this is cationic detergent. Cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide is cationic detergent. In column 1 with their use, so this is a cationic detergent, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide. It's used in hair conditioners and hair shampoos. This is para-dodecyl benzene sulfonate, sodium para-dodecyl benzene sulfonate. It is an anionic detergent and is used in toothpaste. The mixture of soap, sodium carbonate and rosin is used in laundry soaps. And polyethylene glycol stearate is a non-ionic detergent and is used as dishwashing powder. Antagonists bind to receptor site and inhibits its natural function. Agonists mimic the natural messenger. Chemical messenger communicates message between two neurons and that between neurons to muscles. Then inhibitors inhibit activity of enzymes, and receptors are crucial to body's communication process. Analgesics, pain-killing effect. Antiseptics applied to diseased skin surfaces. Antihistamine prevents the interaction of histamine with the receptor. Antacids are used in treatment of acidity. Tranquilizers in treatment of stress. Antibiotics inhibit the growth of microorganisms and can be given orally. Disinfectants are applied to inanimate objects. Important definitions with examples. Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by microorganisms capable of inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. Antibiotics are of two types: narrow range, for example penicillin, and broad spectrum, for example chloramphenicol and tetracycline. Analgesics are pain relievers, chemicals used to relieve pain. They are of two types. Habit forming are called narcotics, example morphine, codeine, heroin. And non-habit forming are non-narcotics, aspirin, Novalgine, Brufen. Antipyretics are chemicals used for lowering the body temperature, example paracetamol, phenacetin and aspirin. Antiseptics prevent the growth of microorganisms and are not harmful to humans and animal tissue. But disinfectants also kill the microorganisms, but they cannot be used on animal tissues. Antihistamines abolish the main action of histamine released in the body and hence prevent allergic reactions. Tranquilizers are used in the treatment of stress, mild and severe mental diseases. Anti-fertility drugs, chemicals or drugs used to control the birth of a child, for example norethindrone, ethinyl estradiol. Antacids are basic substances which neutralize acid, gastric acid and raise pH of gastric contents in stomach. Food preservatives are chemicals used to prevent spoilage due to microbial growth and increase shelf life of food. They are of two categories, class 1 and class 2. Biodegradable detergents, straight chain hydrocarbons which can be decomposed by microorganisms and act as detergents are biodegradable, and branched hydrocarbons which are cannot be decomposed by microbes are called non-biodegradable detergents. Artificial sweetening agents, chemicals used to sweeten the effect of food without any nutritive value, and they are used in case of diabetic patients, are called artificial sweetening agents. They have a sweetening effect, for example saccharin, sucralose and aspartame. Antioxidants retard the oxidative changes and rancidity in oil, fats, and eatable substances. Vitamin E, lecithin, butylated hydroxytoluene, antioxidants. Agonists are drugs that activate a receptor to produce an effect, whereas antagonists, the drugs which occupy the receptor site and prevent any response, are called antagonists. Then some important questions. Explain the cleansing action of soaps. So soap molecule consists of two dissimilar parts, ends. One is hydrophobic long hydrocarbon chain. Other is ionic part, which is hydrophilic in nature. It's polar, and sodium stearate is soap molecule. How it cleanses a dirty cloth. Dirty cloth contains oily and greasy material. So when when soap is mixed in water and a solution is formed, the aggregates of soap molecules will form a micellar-like formation. The hydrophobic end of this soap molecule will produce a cavity which is fat-loving or grease-loving, whereas the ionic part is water attracted to water. So when the dirty cloth is put in this soap solution, the micellar of soap will sit on the dirty part of the fiber and will trap the grease to this cavity enclosed by hydrophobic ends. And when the cloth is rubbed, this whole micellar along with dirt particle gets rubbed off from the cloth, and cloth, when rinsed in water, these micellar along with dirt particles move away with the water from the cloth, and cloth gets cleaned. So oily and greasy dirt particles attach themselves to the hydrocarbon part of soap molecule as it is lipophilic, and the ionic part remains attached to water molecules, and on agitating water, the greasy and oily particles are dispersed in water and get fragmented into small globules surrounded by soap molecules, and thence cloth is cleaned. What is tincture of iodine? What is its use? So tincture of iodine is 2 to 3% solution of iodine in alcohol water. It is an important antiseptic and generally used in dressing of wounds. What are the main constituents of Dettol? So chloroxylenol and terpineol are the main constituents of Dettol. What are biodegradable and non-biodegradable detergents? Give one example of each. So detergents having straight hydrocarbon chains are easily decomposed by microbes and are known as biodegradable detergents. Whereas detergents containing branched hydrocarbon chains are not easily decomposed by microorganisms and are called non-biodegradable detergents. So long chain dodecyl benzene, sodium benzene sulfonates are biodegradable. How are synthetic detergents better than soaps? So synthetic detergents can be used for washing even in hard water. Soaps cannot be used in hard water. Detergents can be used in acidic solutions because they are not readily decomposed in acidic medium. On the other hand, soaps get decomposed into carboxylic acids in acidic medium, so cannot be used in acidic medium. Detergents have stronger cleansing action than soaps. Explain the following terms with suitable example. Cationic detergents are those which have cationic hydrophilic group. They are mostly acetate, chlorides or bromides of quaternary ammonium salts. For example, cetyl trimethyl ammonium chloride is a cationic detergent. It is used in hair conditioner and hair shampoos. Anionic detergents are those which have anionic hydrophilic group. They are manufactured from long chain alcohols. For example, sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium para-dodecyl benzene sulfonate. Anionic detergents are used in toothpaste. Non-ionic or neutral detergents are esters of high molecular mass with fatty acids. These contain polar groups which can form hydrogen bonds with water. For example, polyethylene glycol stearate. It is a non-ionic detergent and is used in dishwashing powder. What is the difference between soap and detergent? Soaps are sodium salts of long chain fatty acids. Detergents are sodium salts of long chain alkyl sulfates. Soaps cannot be used in acidic solution. Detergents can be used. Soaps cannot be used in hard water. Detergents can be used. Soaps are biodegradable. Detergents are non-biodegradable. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.